Alright, pretty quick. I throw a cylinder. It's not a stretch cylinder because I'm going to stretch it into a bowl shape. So I leave the bottom a little bit curved, and then I'm gonna use this to draw a horizontal lines a bit deeper. I cut this. I use a file to file it, so this teeth is a little bit sharper, and I'm going to cut it a little bit deeper. And then using this to mark lighter, a little bit shallower vertical lines. So this is sodium silicate, and I'm going to brush it over the texture. I'm using the heat gun to dry the surface a bit. Okay, and also using the 3 inches of rib to stretch it, because this has a nicer curve, so when you stretch it, your curve will be really nice. Okay, so this time I mark the horizontal line a bit deeper using this. I use a file to file it, so the teeth is a little bit sharper, and then I could cut it a little bit deeper. And then after that, I use the smaller one to draw the vertical line, because when you stretch it, the vertical line split up more. The horizontal line doesn't split as much. So that's why I want the horizontal line more clearly shaded. So I mark it a bit deeper. So this time you can see the texture. I have a vertical line, and also you can see the horizontal lines also. Right, so ready to trim this sodium silicate Teabowl. Just again use water to stick on the wheel head. And I'm not going to use the measuring tool like I did in my previous demonstration. I'm just going to knock it. Alright, so I'm going to change to my number 2 trimming tool. These are made out of tungsten carbide. It's very hard material, so you don't need to resharpen it as often as my stainless steel trimming tool. And also, this tool I prefer when you're using it, you trim it the clay that is a little bit drier. Okay, you don't want to trim it too wet, otherwise the clay is gonna easy to stick onto your tool. It's very hard material, so it's even better to trim on harder clay. Right, so here's another sodium silicate with more horizontal crackle lines. This was the one that I made the other day, more of the vertical line without the horizontal lines. And this one with lots of horizontal lines. Okay, so that's the demonstration on sodium silicate. You can manipulate a different texture, draw some lines, and the crackle will show up after you stretch it. Right, so thanks for watching and see you next time.